When I first came here, I knew straight away that I wanted to come here. The tutors are all really lovely and really helpful, and they're really encouraging in the way I want to study and what kind of things I'm looking for in my degree.
We have excellent facilities to support all of our students no matter what it is that they want to get out of their degree. You can bring your horse to university, and it doesn't matter what degree course you're doing, you're very welcome to bring a horse with you.
The facilities we have here include space for 30 student liveries, as well as a 4-horse horse walker, 2 arenas, both are 30 by 60, 1 indoor, 1 outdoor. And we have a round pen. All the horses have access to fields and turnout, as well as turnout pens through the middle of the winter.
My horse, Rebel, he's a 6-year-old Irish Draught Apple Grey gelding. He settled in immediately. He had a big square in the middle of the yard that, you know, people would just be coming backwards and forwards and doing things, and he'd just have his head over the stable door watching. He's got really good facilities and place to stay. He's got a lovely stable. He seems very happy and relaxed and chilled out here.
The benefit for the students to have their horses here at Lliest, we're close to their studies, they're not having to travel too far, and they're not wasting their day travelling to and from their horses.
We actually hold competitions here 3 weekends out of every 4. So it means you don't have to travel, you can still do show jumping and dressage. We even do things like show cross as well.
I can feel her pushing me. The hacking in this environment is fantastic. We have access to miles and miles and miles of bridleways. We have access to beaches.
It gives me something that I have to wake up to, for example, because, you know, you can't just stay in bed and have a nice long lie-in because you know, your horse is dependent on you. Because it's got me up in the morning and I'm in the right mindset, I can find it quite easy to actually go over to uni and start getting into my work again. And then at the same time, when you've had enough of work and you've been working hard all day, you can go over to the stables.
You might have had a long day in the lab or had a few lectures. It's just nice to have that complete change from their academic environment as well.
It feels very separate from university work, so it's quite nice to go there at the end of having worked all day at the School of Art and just chill out a little bit.
There's no disadvantage if you don't have your own horse. We have anywhere up to about 17 or 18 of our own, and you're very welcome to come and ride them in lessons outside of your studies and do British Horse Society exam training and even join in with competitions. So please don't think if you don't bring your own horse that you're going to be at a disadvantage. You're absolutely welcome to come and use ours. We have state-of-the-art equipment, so we can conduct our own research, but that means that the students can benefit from that too. Last week I ran a nutrition practical, and students actually got to analyse a horse feed in exactly the same way as you would do at a commercial company. Your lecturers are doing the research that you learn about in your actual formal teaching, and that means that we're not just regurgitating facts and figures from textbooks, you're learning the latest updates from our particular fields of interest.
You make really good friendships with the lecturers here as well, and I've learnt so much from them, and I'd really like the chance actually to maybe be a lecturer even here, because again, Aber's such a wonderful place that once you're here you don't really want to leave. So
any horse owner thinking of studying Aberystwyth needs to do it. Your opportunity to learn alongside your horse is fantastic, and having your best mate here, they're a really good calming influence. Well, I find them a very good calming influence sometimes.